Podgy! Podgy! You naughty Podgy! Now, Otolin, cover your Podgy mouth, your pillow! Good morning, Podgy!
Are you okay? You guys look like pandas.
Are you remember?
I heard you snoring, Podgy. In fact, we all heard you snoring.
You see, I can't take it anymore because Podgy's snoring so loudly. Oh, I don't want to sleep with Podgy. I don't want to. What's going on, guys? That Podgy sound. A snoring? Yes, Bill. Otolin and I can't sleep because Podgy is snoring so loudly. Oh, I see. Now I have a plan to you. A camping at Rupert's house? Yes, we did! Thanks, Bill, for a plan. Anytime, Rupert, Otolin. Oh my goodness, that's Podgy again. Yes, Podgy won it. Okay, but no snoring so loudly again. Huh? Hey, Bill, Podgy's snoring! Podgy, what are you snoring so loudly again? Hey, Bill, what's going on? Where are you going, Bill? And what happened to Podgy? I got home. What do we do, Otolin, if Podgy's snoring so loudly? Yes, Rupert, my feet is shaking. I don't want to sleep Podgy again. Huh? Hey, Algae! Hey, guys! What's wrong? You need to help to me? Let me Algae sleep for you for Rupert and Otolin. Hi, Podgy!